So hello guys, once again this is Lovely Jan and you're watching Lovely Jan Vlogs. So for today's video guys ay tuturuan ko kayo how to fix your YouTube studio lalo na kapag may lumalabas na ganito. Yes, kapag may lumabas po na data is currently unavailable for some videos. As a result, information may be missing or inaccurate. So, may lumalabas na ganyan sa inyong YouTube Studio. So, makikita nyo naman siguro sa harapan, guys. Ano? Ayan. Paano natin aayusin yan? So, before anything else, para po sa mga bago sa aking channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more video updates. So, umpisa na natin kung paano natin aayusin ang ganitong error sa ating YouTube Studio.
I gave you my heart.
See guys, may nakikita tayo ditong mga ganyan. Current visibility status may not be accurate. Ayan, marami. Halos lahat ng video natin nagkaganyan. Ay, nako, bakit nga ba nagkaganyan? Tapos may makikita tayo dito sa itaas na data is currently, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, currently unavailable. As a result, information may be missing or inaccurate. Okay, paano natin naayusin yan? Okay, ganito lang yan guys. Okay guys, nakikita na natin. Gagawin lang natin is highlight natin para tapos right click your mouse and then basahin nyo tong search, tong magnifying glass na i-click lang natin yan. Mapupunta tayo sa ayan. Okay, so hanapin nyo tong fixed data currently available error. Sabi niya, click natin yung fix na yan. So as you can see guys, meron ditong in-upload ang Google employee from Team YouTube na may nakalagay na fixed data is currently unavailable error in YouTube Studio. Tapos meron siyang nilagay dyan, creators, some of you reported seeing an error message that reads data is currently unavailable for some videos. As a result, information may be missing or inaccurate in your video stub on YouTube Studio. This has been fixed and all the information you see on YouTube Studio should be back to normal. This issue took place on March 4 from approximately 5:40 a.m. PST to 12 p.m. PST. Thanks for your patience while our teams were working on this. In case you're still having trouble, let us know below. Ayan. So, dito, pwede tayo mag-upload ng videos and manage my channel or upload. Ayan. So, ayan. So, ang gagawin lang natin, guys, dahil na-fix naman na daw ito. So, mag-wait lang tayo. Palipasin lang natin yung 1 hour to 2 hours siguro or anytime, no? Mag-refresh lang tayo. Natin tong mga browsers natin, then refresh tayo, then open. Check natin later on kung magiging okay. So, huwag kayong mag-alala guys at wala namang mawawala. Babalik din siya kasi na-fix naman na daw ni YouTube yung error. Ang gagawin lang natin is mag-refresh tayo, then wait natin na bumalik sa dati yung nilalaman or yung content ng ating YouTube Studio. So, don't worry. Sabi ni YouTube, all contents will be back kasi nice naman na kung sakali mang ma-meet nyo yung ganitong error. So, let's see. Let's go back later on sa ating YouTube Studio after 1 hour. And now guys, after 30 minutes, nag-rest yung ating YouTube Studio at kumbaga, ni-refresh natin yung ating channel. Ito, open natin yung ating channel guys. So, punta tayo sa ating account. Ayan, and then, click natin itong profile natin dito sa gilid. Then, click YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio. And, click natin yung content. Okay. So, as you can see guys, ayan. Bumalik na sa dati. Wala na yung mga error. So, ganun lang siya kadali guys. Huwag kayong mag-worry kung ma-experience ninyo yung error na yon kasi babalik din siya. Medyo sa dami siguro ng content naman na ni-upload sa YouTube. So, normal lang na magkaroon ng konting glitch sa channel ninyo. Pero hindi po mawawala yung content ninyo. Mag-refresh lang kayo. Huwag nyo nang ilagaw, kahit i-close nyo lang lahat ng mga browsers nyo, then refresh, then maghintay kayo ng 20 to 30 minutes. Pero kung hindi pa rin naayos within 2 to 3 hours or 4 hours, halimbawa, inabot kayo ng matagal as in hindi bumalik, pwede nyo nang i-report, ano? Click nyo lang yung inyong profile, then click itong send feedback. Tapos, pwede na kayo mag-type dito. I-screenshot lang ninyo yung problema dito sa inyong channel. Halimbawa yun, yung nakita nyo kanina na may error, i-screenshot ninyo, then mag-type kayo ng inyong i-report, then click send, then a-actionan naman yan ng YouTube. So, hintayin lang natin yung kanilang response. For sa atin, hindi na natin kailangan mag-send ng feedback kasi within 30 minutes, wala pang action ni 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes pa lang nakakalipas, ay bumalik na yun sa dati yung ating content. Ganun lang siya kadali, guys. So, kung natulungan kayo ng video na to, guys, don't forget to like our video, subscribe, and ring the bell for more video updates. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before